I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a clear schema name and ensuring you have the right privileges. Connect with a DBA account, then create or reserve the table space you will use. Once done, create the user that will own the schema and grant minimal privileges required to create objects. Make sure to set a secure password and default table space. These steps speed later object creation and avoid permission friction when you begin creating tables, indexes, and other schema objects. Next, you build core objects inside the schema. Create tables with appropriate data types and constraints to enforce integrity. Use sequences for surrogate keys and consider triggers only when necessary. Once tables exist, add indexes for expected queries and foreign keys to relate tables. Then grant object-level privileges to application users and roles rather than broad system privileges. Make sure to comment tables and columns so later maintenance is easier. Finally, capture your schema DDL for versioning using DBMS metadata. Get DDL and apply any final grants or profiles. Test the schema by connecting as application users and running representative transactions. Monitor execution plans and adjust indexes or statistics as needed. If something fails, check for common issues. Missing privileges, exceeded tablespace quotas, invalid objects in user errors, or syntax errors in DDL. One key troubleshooting tip. When grants seem correct, recompile invalid objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.